Hello folks, and welcome to Blackjack Motor Cars LLC. We're located in Brandon, Florida, right near the intersection of Interstate 75 and Florida Highway 60. Our phone number is 813-340-0918, and we work by appointment. When you see something in inventory, you'd like to take a look at it, give us a call. Doesn't matter, weekends, nights, days, mornings. Just give us a call and we'll make a time to meet when it's convenient to you. Well, folks, we went toy shopping again and we came up with this. This is a 1994 GMC 1500 long bed regular cab pickup. This is no ordinary pickup. It was a complete restoration on an 85,000 mile truck, and the miles are documented on the titles. When they redid it, they did it as a Chevrolet. It has you can see the bow tie grill and a couple of other features on it that you'll see. They kind of branded it as Chevrolet. GMC Chevrolet, same basic truck. Nice maroon paint. This truck is no ordinary truck though, folks, and we're going to show you why in a little bit. But first, let's take a little walk around. It's been lowered, refitted with 18-inch nice custom rims, brand new tires. Got a beautiful brand new tonneau cover on it, snap-on tonneau cover. Folks, again, this was probably somebody's play truck, and I'll tell you why. We're going to open the bed back here, and you're going to see the bed is just absolutely pristine. A couple scratches on it here because they did have a pad on it, but no dents, no dings. Very nice truck. Custom Chevrolet brake light, third brake light on the back. Zoom around the side here. Again, a good shot of these custom wheels. The interior is absolutely spectacular. Great shape, matching maroon interior with nice cloth seats. Excellent door panels, no cracks in the dash. They've added a couple features in here. They've got a tachometer, an extra temperature meter, got a Sony AM/FM CD radio in it. And this unit right here, that's an adjustment for your torque converter lockup. You can adjust that to where you want it to lock up at what speed. But here's the magic of this truck. Let me pop the hood here and we'll walk over here and take a quick look. Folks, this baby has a brand new 383 stroker in it. Has about 2,000 miles on it, and I will tell you, this truck runs like a beast. Special K&N air filter, air conditioning, you can see here, all completely new. To keep it cool, they put a nice big aluminum radiator on it. MSD Ignition. They just did about everything you could do to this truck, and I will tell you, it will fly. So take another look here at it. This is a great truck. Everything's been done. All you need to do is drive it. So if this has some interest to you, just give us a call, 813-340-0918. You really need to take this baby for a test drive to see what it'll do. So give us a yell at Blackjack Motor Cars. Like we say, you'll never go bust. Folks, appreciate you watching. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye-bye.